Well, we've arrived.
And it's very hot.
We've had a cheeky flight last minute, and we've decided to get away from this rubbish British summer rain that we've had. We left the show at Van Life's celebration, jumped on a plane, and we're now in Fuerteventura. So we're just waiting to get in our room.
Yeah, I want to get in.
Early hours this morning, 2 o'clock start.
Oh well, we had a little nod, didn't we, on the plane?
Yeah, we had a little nod. We've just been and had something to eat, had a quick walk around the grounds, and it's absolutely beautiful. We've had a drink, and one thing we've noticed on the bar, what's that, Alison?
They're all name brands.
Name brands. This is the first time in donkey's years.
And it's the first time I've been abroad and had my passport stamped.
Yes, we've got our passport stamped. First time ever. So, it's about an hour's journey from the main airport. Oh, we're actually in Corralejo. I didn't actually say that, did I? We've got an all-inclusive deal in a H10 hotel.
Food looks nice.
Food is amazing. We've just had dinner. Just waiting for the room now to be done. Got somebody behind me. Been told to move. Sorry about that one, but we got interrupted by one of the cleaners. If I didn't move, I'd have been knocked over or ran over. So anyway, we're at H10 Ocean Suites in Corralejo. Here she is, struggling up the stairs. Yeah, give me the bag, Ali. Get your coat. Get your coat. So, here you get it, live first impressions. Here you go, Ali, have a bag. Very nice. Very nice indeed. Nice big flat screen, not that we're going to be watching much of it.
Lights on.
Bathroom. Yeah, this will do. Hiya. Oh, hat off.
I've got a fridge.
We've got a fridge. We've got any drink in it?
No, not yet.
Let's have a look out on the balcony. How do we get this thing open? There we go. Yeah, that'll do. So yeah. Oh my god, I got stuck in the curtains now. Look at this, can't even get out. Let me in, Alison.
No bath.
No bath. Oh well. Yeah, so this is us for 8 days. We're going to take you around.
Even got a comb.
Oh nice, got myself a little comb. Saved me borrowing Alison's. Anyway, we'll catch up with you a little bit later. Lazing around for the first few days.
Mark's been busy though. Everybody noticed?
Yeah, I'm sure they're going to notice now. I look like a 12-year-old. It was getting on my nerves. It's that hot over here. So I thought, sod it, it's coming off. Anyway, we're going to venture out.
Go to the beach.
Going to walk down the beach and see if we can fly the drone. And get a nice sunset. A sunshit? And a sunshot.
He's had a glass of wine.
Yeah, I've had a few glasses of wine today, I'll tell you. That's dangerous when you're flying your drone anyway.
You haven't had a lot today. You had a lot yesterday.
Yeah. Oh well. There's the Billy Bong Surf School. And Billabong. Billy Bong. Who's Billy?
I don't know, but...
So the drone's been up, we're on the beach. Things I do to risk for you guys. So, pretty famous this place for their windsurfing, kite surfing, so you can imagine there's a lot of wind. All I got whilst flying the drone was constant wind warnings. So anyway, we've got some good shots for you, I hope. I'll probably put them on next when I get home in about 3 weeks' time.
I wish.
This is an amazing place. So over there in the distance, may not pick it up on here, that's the Fred Olsen Express over to Lanzarote. So we're going to do that one day. I think it's about a 35-40 minute journey by boat. And where does it take you, Ali?
Lanzarote.
I know that.
What then?
Where does it take us? What's the place in Lanzarote?
Porto del Carmen or
No.
Playa Blanca?
Playa Blanca, that's where it takes you. So yeah, we'll be in Fuerteventura one day and Lanzarote the next. So we'll take you along and see what it's like. Bought me now, Ali?
I don't.
You like this shop, don't you?
I do.
It's absolutely full of rubbish or gadgets. I need one of these bells.
You've been waiting a long time.
Look at that. What you bought now? Yeah, we need one of them for the beach.
Suits me.
There's all sorts of gadgets in here. Alison, I'm not quite sure what to make of this. There's another one there, look. Are we in the right sort of shop? The famous pale cow. Alison, can I have a new toy?
There's only one seat though.
I want one of these. I could imagine me and that going up around town. How many locks are on there, Ali?
No, but shall we put ours? Mark and Ali were here. 23.
Good God. How many's in it? Look how thick it is. It's absolutely full of them.
It's right, it's got bottle lids in it.
Oh,
What's that?
charity, gotta be. I think we're on the cycle track.
Yeah.
Tell you what, this place gets busy at night. Here we go, look.
Move over. I'm going to get run over. Tinder Centre.
And that was a perfect ending to a fantastic day. Good morning. So we've had a few days off. We've been round the pool for the last, what, 2 days?
Yeah, and Mark's honking.
Yeah, I've burnt my shoulders. In fact, I've burnt my shoulders, burnt my back. So yeah, there's a warning. If you're in Fuerteventura, it's actually known as the Windy Island. So obviously the sun rays are bursting down on you, but the wind is quite powerful and you have no idea that you're going to burn. And we burnt.
No, you're...
So anyway, we've come a walk out we're going to go and book a little trip today. Not telling you where yet, but it'll be a little ferry ride, and we're going to try and get that for Monday and spend some time on a boat, and we'll take you on our travels. So we'll see you a little bit later on.
Have a look at this dragon.
What dragon?
You know you call me a dragon.
Oh yeah, that's definitely an old dragon. That's wicked. I think we're expected to put a donation down there. Yeah, we are. That's a lot of hard work.
I can't even build a sandcastle.
So that's our view for today. Gonna go walk around the port. What have you been catching? Looks a bit fishy.
A bit windy.
There's loads of these around here.
Wow. He looks a bit grumpy.
It's like me when I wake up in the morning.
Yeah, it does.
Look at this lot in the background.
Yeah. This is you when you got your eccles up.
Yeah. What a beautiful view. That right across the bay.
This boat coming in, look.
Not sure if that's going to the...
It's Fred Olsen.
Yeah, I think that's going to the island of Lobos, which is just in that direction over there.
You could see it over there, couldn't you?
Yeah.
There it is.
Yeah, that's Lobos in the background. So this is the slow ferry from Playa Blanca over to Corralejo in Fuerteventura. Lorries, cars, you can go by foot, but it is the slow ferry, unfortunately. We've just booked the fast ferry. Just booked our tickets with these people behind us, called Limias Romero.
If that's how you pronounce
Yeah,
it.
this is the fast ferry from Corralejo over to Playa Blanca in Lanzarote, and it goes about 10 times a day. It's a half an hour trip. The guys are really good in there. The guy we booked with, he's an English guy. He said he's been here 21 years, advised us where to go, what to do, best ways of paying for it.
There's a market on a Saturday and a Wednesday, I think he says.
Yeah, that's over in Playa Blanca. Anyway, they charged us €35 each, was that right?
Yeah.
They give you a discount if you book 24 hours in advance.
And it's an open ticket.
What's this all about then, Ali?
Nothing on it.
These are dotted all over the place. There's no explanation, nothing on them at all. Maybe somebody can tell us in the comments.
I was going to do your translation, but there's nothing on there.
So these are all the evening tapas bars. They're quite
Get a
quiet
bit back on that.
on that, yeah. So these are quite quiet in the day, but it does come live at night. This is like the older part of Corralejo. This is down by the harbour in some of the back streets. So we found a Shell station, and if anybody's interested in the cost of the fuel here, it's diesel's 1.27 euros a litre, and your standard 95 octane is 1.349 a litre. So yeah, it's quite a bit cheaper than it is in the UK. There you go, there's a few van lifers over here as well. Not quite sure I'd want to stay there, but yeah. It's very windy today as well. Not that you can tell. It's about currently 34 degrees. That'll do nice. So this is the water park in Corralejo. Unfortunately you can't see a lot from this side. As you can see, look at all that. No greenery at all. Such a dry summer they've had over here. Look at the state of these cars. Look at the rust on the windscreen wipers. I'm not sure that that'll actually pass an MOT in the UK.
Do they do MOTs over here or something?
I don't suppose they do at the state of that one anyway. So this is the El Campanero shopping centre, and it's a Sunday morning and it's absolutely full of crafts, all homemade stuff, and it's busy. Going up that tower, Alison?
Yeah.
There you go. We're going to go walk up there now and follow Ali. It's a good old run up this is, Ali. Come on, Ali, we're nearly there. One more flight to go. We made it. Oh, that's a view. That's a beautiful view. And it's breezy up here, isn't it? So there you go, if you want to see the bell tower in real time, just scan that code.
In the wind and it shines.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, in the distance. So what did you think of that place?
Nice. Very crafty.
And very busy.
Yeah, it was very busy. But we've been before, but I've never known it that busy. But when we come in February, didn't we?
Yeah. How about the bell tower?
Nearly 100 steps up and 100 steps down.
Oh well, it won't do you any. It won't do you any harm. So this is a very pretty area, Alison. Do you remember walking down here before?
I can't really remember. It's been a few years, isn't it?
Yeah. So we're going to end this one on the part one of our Fuerteventura trip. Our next one, just watch out for the next one on part two, which will be a trip from here in Fuerteventura over to Lanzarote by fast ferry. So that should be interesting. I've never done that one before.
I hope it's not choppy.
No, it's very windy here, as I've said before, but yeah, it might make an effect when we hit the boat. So now we're just gonna go down to the beach now and get some sand in our toes, as they call it. So yeah, we're gonna have a paddle. It's very hot now. So anyway, we'll see you on the next one, but if you haven't already, please give us a like, subscribe. It really does help our channel, and leave some comments below. We do lack comments sometimes. A lot of our regulars still comment, but it'd be nice to hear from you new guys. So we'll catch you on the next one. Bye. The things we do for you guys, eh? Even me fluffy dead cat's about to fall off. It's that windy.
Blow away.
Yeah.